All right, I'm here with Barbara, who has been working as an elementary school social worker in Central Maine for 22 years. Barbara, I'm going to ask you a couple questions. How is the school system doing financially these days?
Well, the state has a projected $140 million shortfall coming, and so they cut the schools somewhere around $28 million statewide, and our particular school district is about $200,000 short. So they've stopped any purchase orders and no more purchases this year.
Freeze. How do these funding issues and these freezes affect sports programs?
Well, so far they haven't had too much effect. The after-school programs are the first to get cut, and those just aren't happening much unless the community is taking up the slack. In certain cases they are, but most cases they're not.
And as a social worker, now you work with children's emotional and social development. Do you think that sports programs have an effect on that development?
They have a huge effect, and I think young people just need to move more all the way around. There's one period, 40 minutes long, for gym for most kids K through 6, and they do have a recess. The kids in the higher grades, 7 through 12, don't even get that. So it's really sad that there isn't more organized sports happening or intramurals. I would love to see that happen more.
Mm. And what changes do you think should be made to the public school programs to make it more accessible?
Well, I'd love to see a whole lot more movement, a whole lot more exercise for kids to learn for their lives, incorporated all the way around in schools, after school, in the middle of school, all the time. I see too many kids that just are very heavy. They eat foods that are, cause weight gain, and they just don't get enough exercise. So their mental health is not as good as it could be. Exercise has a big effect on people's health all the way around.
Well, thank you, Barbara. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.